Hello everyone, I'm Aleshia. Welcome to my Beadifulnights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this subscription box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials that I get in this box in case you just want a couple things but not everything. So you will see links to the materials down there below in the description bar. Now, I don't know if you guys saw last month's box, but it was pretty awesome. It had 3 projects in it. Hoop earrings, a necklace, and a Loom bracelet. And that was the first time that I had a bead weaving project or design in this subscription box. It was really neat. And all the beads were Picasso beads, so I was really in love with last month's project. In case you missed it, I will put a picture up now. Alright, so let's dig into this one here and see what our colors are. And the cord that's on my box, I think it was the past 2 boxes, they had like a 1.5 or 2 millimeter wax cotton cord, and this time it looks like a 1 millimeter cotton cord. And this is long enough to make a wrap bracelet if you wanted to, or just a one single Loom bracelet like I did in last month's project. And I do have tutorials, by the way, on doing Loom bracelets. I'll put some pictures up now in case you would like to use this cord. You could do all different kinds of beads. I've done seed beads. You could do 11-0 seed beads. You could do 2-hole beads. I've done a Loom bracelet with super duos before. You can use all kinds of beads. There was one bracelet that I made that had Czech fire polish beads in it, Druks, different kinds of beads, but it's so much fun to make bracelets like that, and you can just spend hours and weeks just working on projects like that. Okay, so let's open this. And this here is a piece of paper that has a secret link to a video tutorial showing you how to put the projects together in this box. But you can only have the link if you get the subscription box. Okay, so let's see. Oh boy. Look at these. Those are beautiful. I've never seen pink in this shape before. And I believe this shape here, to me, it looks like rice. It's a rice shape, but I think it's called horsehair or horse eye, the shape. And this bead here is table cut. See how the sides are flat? So it was once round, like it here is on this side, but they cut it off. And this one's not Picasso. I think it's travertine on the sides, but that is very pretty. I love that shade. Okay, so we have 2 of those, and we have bead stringing wire, and that looks like a short piece for a bracelet probably. And then, oh my gosh, they have those purple Druks in there. Here we have 4 6mm jump rings, and right here I gotta go to these. These here are Druks. I was thinking it was Little Vega Luster, but it has that gold finish on it, so I don't actually remember what this color is called. I've used this before though. It's very pretty. It's like a gold luster over top of the purple, and it's like Little Vega Luster purple. Those are gorgeous. I would like to reorder those. They have so many beautiful colors on the Craftica site where these beads come from. And every time I go to make an order, a lot of them are sold out. And they have the option to select email. So when it comes back in stock, they send you an email letting you know that it's back in stock. Okay, and then we have 4 crimp tubes. Doesn't mean there's going to be 2 projects though, because they do give us extra crimps. And we have, oh, the cord ends. Look at that. So you close these down on like a suede cord, or you can do 2 cords side by side, like the square lace cord. You could do round cords. Because this is wide, don't think that you have to use a wide piece of cording to clamp these onto. You can also use 2 to 3 pieces of cording and clamp this down onto, you know what I'm saying? You can braid leather, clip this onto like 3 pieces of leather, and then braid the leather, and then crimp it again at the end. That's actually a really awesome idea. I would like to do that. I haven't done that before, but that would be fun. Oh my gosh. Wow, those beads are epic. So these here are Czech fire polish, and the size is 6mm. But I have no idea what this color is. I've never seen this before. Wow, it almost looks like it's amethyst, but it is blue. It's like a bluish purple. It also has like a luster finish on it, and it's transparent. You can see through it. So those are unique. I kind of have one that's similar to this. It's purple. I do not remember the name of it. But it's like purple. It has that gold luster like on it, but it's transparent like these. But I've never seen it in this blue shade. Those are awesome. And I can't wait to show you this bead. So, this looks like, I collect glass, jadeite milk glass and pink glass. And this here looks like glass that I've always wanted. It's called Imperial Glass. Imperial Glass. It's white and dark purple, and it's swirled together. It's beautiful. You gotta go look for it. It's vintage and antique. You gotta go on like eBay. Even Macrame has it. But look at how beautiful. It really does look like the Imperial Glass. Very pretty. Yeah, it looks like that one there has the stripes. And there's is it Picasso? It might be Picasso or travertine on the sides. Those are incredible. And then we have a chain, so I'm thinking that's probably an extender chain because it's the open curb chain. And then we have Eyepins. Jump rings, these are big. What are those, like 12mm, maybe? And then these, is this green or yellow? It's like chartreuse green or yellow. But it's opal color, which means that it has like a translucentness to it, right? It's like milky. And on top of that, there's little stripes in it. I don't know how well you can see. Let me put it on my hand. Do you see the little stripes going through? Beautiful. And I think that's Picasso on the sides there. I don't think I've ever used pink and yellow together before. Oh, other than flowers. I've used it to make flowers. This here is peridot colored pinch beads. And I've said this before, I'm not a big fan of the pinch beads. But when the pinch beads are in peridot color, they look like actual gemstones to me. And they are pretty. I'll show you. Don't they look like real peridot in this color? In the shape too, it looks like it's peridot, like real peridot stone. They're pretty in there. Maybe these aren't my favorite beads because I try to weave with them, and it is complicated to make a design with these. I feel like the best thing to make with them is beaded beads because they are triangle shaped. So I do prefer rounds and square shapes for weaving, but I also love 2-hole beads because you could do anything with those. Oh my gosh, we got the origami bead. I was going to call it mandala, but that's not what this one is. This is so pretty. I don't know if this is the first time I've gotten this style of bead in this box. I've been getting it in other subscriptions. I'm trying to figure out if it's transparent. Oh, it is! It's a dark amethyst purple with pink wash, and it's matte. So it looks like it's black, but if you put it up to the light, it is a dark purple. It's transparent. It's very pretty. And this bead here, you can bezel this bead if you want. There was the project that I did called Mermaid Bracelet. This bead is 18 millimeters, and this same bead will work in that bracelet design. I'll put a picture up now in case you want to do that. And I've also used this 18 millimeter bead in the Nautilus bead, but it's the same size, so I know it will work. I used it to make a ring and beaded beads that I did in a necklace, so I'll put a picture of that up too. So there are some choices for you guys in case you wanted to make something with this. And then, what else we got? Oh my gosh, there's more. Oh my gosh, there's more! Yes! This is awesome. I love these. They're so beautiful and decorative. You know what I would really like to put these in? Is my Easy Creative Dreams bracelet that I did. I'll put a picture of that up now. So I really love that bracelet, the Creative Dreams bracelet. It is so easy, but I feel like whenever I have these oddball beads, like these two here, they're oddballs. I don't have anything like this in my stash in this color. These little beads here are perfect for projects like that, and it's an easy project. Everybody would like it. Anybody could wear it. This one here is actually like a teal. It's a greenish blue, so I would say it's teal, with a bronze wash. It is gorgeous. And it would be awesome in that bracelet. So pretty. This is probably my new favorite Czech bead. That's big like that and decorative. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think this one might be my favorite. Yeah, I think I like this one more than the other two. But, what is this color? Let's see. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe they put two in this bag. And it's my favorite one. Wow. I'm trying to figure out what the color is. You know? I think it is that white bead that has that purple marble effect on it with a bronze wash. It's like milk glass, but it's more opaque. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I think it's that white bead that has the marble finish, and then it has bronze wash over it. This bead is so darn gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. When I was on Craftica last and I bought some stuff, I bought a lot of flowers. And that was before I saw this bead, so I don't know if it existed then, but it seems like it's new because now I'm seeing it in all the subscription boxes. Okay, this is 6mm Czech fire polish, and I believe this color is called teal. There's also a light teal Czech fire polish bead, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's prettier than this one. If you have not seen it, you've got to Look it up, search it, Google it. Czech Fire Polish Beads, light teal, that color. I have it in my stash in 3mm, and it is just so beautiful. But this is the regular teal. Oh, I just realized something. As I was opening the beads, when I got into these, I totally forgot that I was doing the BohemStyle box. So that's why we have 2 of these, because it's a project. Duh. I got carried away. I was taken away by the beads. Here we have 2 lobster claw clasps. So that means we're going to have a bracelet and a necklace. But we have wire. Oh, there's a cord in there. How am I going to use the cord? Here's more eye pins. Oh, you know what? We might string these on, but I only have 4 jump rings. I'm trying to figure it out. This is long. This looks long. Okay, box is empty. Always check this stuff though, because one time I had a bag that had a hole in it, and the beads fell into that. And luckily I looked through it. How long is this? Very long. This is really long. Is this 3 yards? Or a yard, I mean? 3 feet. Let's see, we'll fold it in half. Oh, it's longer. Maybe 4 feet. I think it's about 4 feet of cording. Looks like it's 1mm cording. And I don't think that any of these beads will fit onto this cording. So I wonder if all of the beads, well, other than what's going on the tiger tail there, I wonder if they're going to be onto the head pins. I wonder if there will be knots, a lot of knotting done. Maybe could be why it's so long, or it's going to be a long bracelet. But we will see. Alright, so I'm going to wind this up. So here is everything we are getting in this month's BohemStyle monthly subscription box, and I am loving the origami beads. They are so beautiful, but I have to say these beads here, these colors together are kind of unusual for me. I would never really think to put these together. So that means I am very excited to see what this project is going to look like done, and I can't wait to do it. And maybe, I just realized, they are going to do what I was thinking about and put this cord in these clamps here. Because how else are they going to do it other than knotting the end? You could put this cord straight through the lobster claw and knot it, but I think they're going to use these clamps here for that cord. So I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. I'm really excited. And remember, I'm going to have pictures of what these 2 projects look like completed at the beginning and end of the video, in case you want to see what it looks like before you make the decision to buy the subscription box. Alright, this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening, and remember, I will have a link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to have links to all of the materials you see here. Now, if you don't see a link, for example, for maybe this bead, that's because I could not find it, and what I usually do is I put for an alternative Czech Fire Polish beads in the 6mm size, because I couldn't find it in that exact color or something like that. Okay, so this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.